Hey there, it's Nick from Rexing, back to tell you about the latest Rexing innovation, the V5 modular camera. A camera as versatile as you, using up to 3 module cameras that can be adjusted to fit your specific needs. Mount the main camera unit to the windshield, capturing a wide-angle shot of the road in 4K Ultra HD. Now, customize the V5 to you by choosing your preferred view. Install the cabin camera to capture footage inside of the car. To mount the rear camera inside the car, simply run the cable to the main camera unit and you're ready to go. You can substitute that for a waterproof rear camera outside the car, recording a wide-angle street view so you don't miss a thing. Now fire it up and explore the newest features of your V5 camera. Just like that, you are ready. Hit the road and stay safe.
The open road is a place of freedom, of new opportunities, a way of life. But with that freedom comes a degree of uncertainty, and drivers can use all the protection they can get. Introducing the new SC Smart Dash Cam series from Cobra. With advanced features like high-definition recording, enhanced night vision, and cloud video management that allows you to store, edit, and share footage from anywhere. SC dash cams are ideal for anyone with a desire to drive smarter and safer. They're always looking out for the driver, on the road ahead, behind the vehicle, and even inside the cabin. Built-in G sensors protect footage automatically before, during, and after emergencies to ease the process of insurance claims. And the Mayday notification lets you send an alert to an emergency contact in the event of an accident. The SC201 even offers an infrared LED interior camera for enhanced nighttime video. Plus, with the Drive Smarter app, drivers will have peace of mind with unprecedented control over their experience on and off the road. And connection to the Cobra community of drivers gives you access to more than 100 million real-time alerts of red light cameras, speed traps, and more. With an SC dash cam from Cobra on your dash, your vehicle becomes smarter. You'll drive smarter, and it'll help keep you and your loved ones safer on the road.
Understand that driving and traveling can cause stress and worry. one car at a time.